Thank you for joining us once again here at Zwangendaba. Today we are here at the Khami Ruins, which are situated 22 kilometers west of Bulawayo. So these ruins were once the capital of the Torwa state more than 400 years ago. So join us as we tour the place to see the beautiful handiwork that our ancestors possessed.
Khami's significance in the history of the area was fully recognized when it was inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1986.
So down there is the Khami Dam, which our ancestors used to access water from. So it was not uncommon back in the day for settlements to be erected near water streams for one reason: easy access to water. So our ancestors built the ruins on a higher platform so that they could have an overview of the whole area. And I also think that the ruins are on a higher platform so that they could see their enemies approaching from a distance, and then they would prepare themselves for war. So I'm here at the king's residence. I think it was his rondavel or something, probably a thatched rondavel where the king stayed. So there are two entrances: the eastern entrance and the western entrance. A beautiful place indeed. I feel like a king. Ungapi, mina ngise Khami Ruins.
Khami rose into significance from 1450 to 1683, and its influence extended deep into the Kalahari of Botswana. Khami's highly decorated stone wall structures are more defined from those at Great Zimbabwe and are rather terraced hill faces, forming an extensive complex of stone-walled platforms. The stone walls were not for defense, but were rather symbols of prestige, wealth, and power. The walls are not bonded, and the individual blocks are balanced on each other without cement. The stones were quarried from the local granite. Torwa wealth in cattle and their success in regional and international trade were the envy of others. This ultimately led to their invasion by the Roswi sometime before 1683. A small site museum provides useful background information to the site itself.
Thank you so much for joining us today as we toured the Khami Ruins. It's a beautiful place. You can come with your family, with your loved ones, and just enjoy the rich culture that this place has. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on our YouTube channel. See you next time.